Hey everybody out there, and thanks so much for tuning in today on Unplugged and Uncut. I am here at the center point where we just got finished blessing the stage for TNT Talent Exposure Productions. Tana and Trey Willis, thank you both so much for allowing me, Sounds of Shar'e, to grace your stage. But I am here with BET, Comic View, and a list of other amazing big HBO shows. Sean Harris, I'm super excited that you're here. You did really great. I know I've seen you on a couple of shows, but to see you live, it's so honorable. Go ahead and tell the fans out there what you got coming up and how you came about even touring on your comic.
Well, I got a movie that's coming out, going on Netflix. It's called Squatters. We shot it last year. Got picked up by Netflix. It's about my journey as a comedian.
Nice.
What I had to go through to get where I'm at. You know, the hustle, the bustle, the struggle, taking over other people's houses illegally, living rent free. You know, I did that for 6 months. Oh no, 9 months. Like for real.
Really? Nice.
Yep, and I turned it into a movie, so that's Netflix. And basically every weekend I'm on the road, like improvs, funny bones, around the country. You know, based out of Atlanta. You know, every weekend, like I said, it's either like next weekend is Kansas City. You know?
Oh, so where you gonna be at in Kansas?
Improv.
Improv. Okay.
That's coming
Nice.
up.
Well, we would love to definitely have you on here on our show. Maybe we can bring you in, us over here at New TV, to come and do some comedy. I really enjoyed the show. You had the crowd on their feet. You did really amazing. So thank you so much for an impromptu interview. Make sure you stay tuned to New TV and Sound of Shar'e, because later on I'll be bringing you some footage where we can stay up to date with Mr. Funny Guy, Sean Harris himself. Don't go anywhere, because I will have also some
Social media.
uploads. Also, social media, yes.
Forgot not to cut you off.
No, go ahead. No, you're free to.
They know
Your
you're
social
on
media? They know where I'm
They
at.
know you're.
Yeah.
What is it? Anyway.
Where you can find me on social media, I'm under Sounds of Shar'e. You can also check me out under Terry Obsessed, my YouTube channel. And I'm on iHeart, iTunes, Google Play Store. You can find me at over 600 searches.
God, that's a lot.
It's
Mine
fun.
is-
I'm doing good work, y'all.
Mine
So make sure
is
y'all support.
at comedian Sean Harris on Instagram, Laugh Sean Harris on Twitter, and Straight Up Sean Harris on Facebook. And I don't have a streaming thing yet, but I got Netflix.
Nice.
There you go.
Nice. Maybe we can get your episode, because we're looking for some content to go up on our new website. So
Okay,
I'll
cool.
definitely be in touch with you. All right, you guys. I'm going to log out because, as I said, this was improv, and I just wanted to make sure that I caught a glimpse of this superstar funny man up close, up front, and uncut. You've been tuned in to Sounds of Shar'e.
Leave that White Castle alone. It ain't your friend. It's the devil.